How can I qualify for low-income withdrawals under the financial hardship provisions? So you're planning to apply for unlocking under the new financial hardship provisions. To start, you'll need to calculate your total expected income from all sources before taxes are applied. This should capture the calendar year in which you sign your application. For 2015, you can apply under low income only if you expect to earn less than $35,733 before taxes in the calendar year. That calculation is based on a number determined each year by the Canada Revenue Agency. The low income amount is 2/3 of the year's maximum pensionable earnings as set by CRA for 2015. Remember, CRA adjusts the YMPE every year. How can I calculate the maximum amount that I can withdraw? Start by going to the Application to Unlock and Withdraw British Columbia Funds Due to Financial Hardship form on FICOM's website. You can find it at. To find out the maximum amount that you can withdraw, begin by calculating all of the income you expect to earn in the next 12 months. List all sources, including employment earnings, if applicable, employment insurance payments, life income fund payments, spousal support, and payments received from any other source. Are you receiving any other payments? Are you unsure about whether they should be included? Contact the Canada Revenue Agency to find out for sure at 1-800-959-8281. Can you provide an example of how I calculate the maximum amount that I can withdraw? Okay, let's put in some numbers into the unlocking form to see how the process works. Let's say in the calendar year you expect to earn $3,250 before taxes. Using the formula, you must multiply this number by 0.75. This becomes $2,437.50. Remember that year's maximum pensionable earnings calculation we talked about? You'll need to subtract the last number from 50% of the year's annual pensionable earnings. $26,800, or 50% of YMPE for the applicable year, minus $2,437.50, leaves $24,362.50 as the maximum you can withdraw for reasons of financial hardship under the low income provision. What if I don't want to withdraw that much? $24,362.50 is the maximum that you are allowed to withdraw. Suppose you only want to withdraw $5,000 of that amount. The financial institution processing your application will help you calculate your withdrawal so that you receive the amount you are seeking to unlock. But remember, you'll also pay tax and possibly a processing fee. You mean I'll pay more than I get back in cash? Yes. If you are seeking $5,000, the financial institution processing your request must ensure that you get $5,000. But there are additional costs associated with pension unlocking that you should be aware of. You will be required to pay taxes to the Canada Revenue Agency, and the tax marginally increases depending on how much you withdraw. For amounts below $5,000, you will pay 10% in taxes. You may also pay a processing fee paid to the financial institution handling your application. You should check with them to see if this is the case because these fees, if applied, will affect the total cost of your withdrawal. But here's a hypothetical example. Remember, this is only a hypothetical example and your actual withdrawal experience will be based on your individual circumstances. Let's assume in this case that due to the modest amount of the withdrawal, the financial institution holding your funds has decided to waive the fee. Your amount sought, net, is $5,000. Add the 10% tax rate calculated at $555.56. The processing fee is zero because it has been waived. The total cost of your withdrawal will be $5,555.56. So can I make another application to get more money? No, it is important to be aware that you can only make one withdrawal based on the low income provision each calendar year. That means you can't come back and make a second application to claim any of the remaining allowable amount, calculated at $19,362.50 in the same calendar year. We hope you found this information helpful. For more on unlocking, see the FICOM website.